Spanish, with or without a master, a thorough and easy course for self-instruction or schools by M.D. Berlitz, read for the LibriVox Language Learning Collection, Volume 5. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Part 2. English Explanations. Pronunciation. The sound of the vowels. Los sonidos de las vocales. A is always as in father. Alma, alba, corbata, alabar, acabado, pasada, plata. Where necessary, we shall represent the sound by AH. The diphthongs AY, AI sound like the I in die. Ay, traiga, vale. As in get. When it is final, it has almost the sound of AY in Monday. In such cases, we shall represent it by E. Followed by R, it sounds like air. De, este, sabe, vale, pena, tenderse, perder. The diphthongs EI, EY sound generally like A in le, re, reina, ley. E, as in sister or in machine. Where necessary, we shall represent this sound by EE. Escribir, vino. In the diphthong IE, it sounds like the Y in yes. Bien, vienen, siete, cielo, tiempo. The diphthong IA is pronounced like ya, except where the I has an accent. Gracias, comerciante. But Garcia, Amaria. O, as in mother. Voto, tomo, ocho, loco. OI and OY sound as in English. Hoy, soy, estoy, voy. As in pull. Mucho, azul, una. In the diphthongs UA, UI, UE, UO, it sounds almost like a W. Pues, duerme, cuento, muerto, aguarda, cuando, guante, montuoso, ruido. The diphthongs UY, UI sound like the we in Luis, muy, Luis. In other diphthongs, the two constituent parts keep their original sounds but are quickly drawn together. Paul, maestro, duela, causa. Y, as in the English yes. Hierba, yacer, yendo. For the diphthongs AY, EY, OY, UY, C, A, E, O, U. Spanish with or without a master, a thorough and easy course for self-instruction or schools by M.D. Berlitz.